The 2027 Toyota Tundra Trailhunter takes a full-size American-style pickup and turns it into something built specifically for buyers who want serious off-road capability without having to modify the truck themselves. With 437 horsepower, 583 lb-ft of torque, iForce Max hybrid power, 4-wheel drive, factory off-road suspension, bronze wheels, and a long list of Trailhunter equipment. This is Toyota going directly after trucks like the GMC Sierra at 4X and Chevrolet Silverado ZR2. This is the 2027 Toyota Tundra Trailhunter, and Toyota has made the new model more than just another appearance package. Starting at the front, the Trailhunter gets a wide, aggressive grille with a strong Toyota identity and a rugged black treatment. The grille sits between sharp LED headlights, giving the truck a modern face while keeping the design functional rather than overly flashy. The hood is tall and heavily sculpted, giving the Tundra the commanding view you expect from a full-size truck. Down below, the front bumper is designed around actual trail use, with recovery hooks that immediately tell you this truck is meant to get dirty. The Trailhunter also gets protection underneath, helping shield important components when you're crawling over rocks, dirt, and uneven terrain. Move around to the side and the truck's purpose becomes even clearer. The Trailhunter rides on 18-inch bronze alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin LTX Trail tires, giving it the traction and durability needed for loose surfaces while also creating one of the strongest visual signatures on the truck. The suspension is another major upgrade. Toyota equips the Trailhunter with old Man Emu off-road suspension, specifically tuned for increased capability away from paved roads. The truck also gets a factory-installed lift, helping improve ground clearance and approach over rough terrain. The side profile remains unmistakably Tundra, with muscular bodywork, large doors, wide wheel arches, black exterior accents, and a practical pickup bed layout. At the rear, Toyota keeps the design functional. You get a large tailgate, LED rear lighting, a durable bumper, and the full-size bed that makes the Tundra useful for everything from weekend equipment to camping gear and everyday hauling. But the Trailhunter's biggest advantage isn't just how it looks. Under the hood is Toyota's iForce Max hybrid powertrain, combining a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 with electric assistance to produce 437 horsepower and 583 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. That torque matters when you're climbing steep trails, pulling equipment, or carrying a loaded truck. And because this is a Trailhunter, Toyota has designed the powertrain, suspension, tires, recovery equipment, and underbody protection to work together as one package. The result is a truck that doesn't simply look ready for an adventure. Now step inside the 2027 Toyota Tundra Trailhunter, because Toyota didn't stop with the exterior. The cabin is designed to give you the technology and comfort you'd expect from a modern full-size truck while keeping the controls practical when you're actually out on the trail. Start with the front cabin. The dashboard uses a wide, modern layout with a large 14-inch Toyota Audio Multimedia touchscreen dominating the center of the cabin. The display gives the driver access to navigation, audio, vehicle settings, and smartphone connectivity, while physical controls remain available for functions you don't want buried inside a touchscreen. The driver gets a digital instrument display that keeps important information directly in front of them, while the steering wheel places key controls within easy reach. You also get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with wireless smartphone charging, so the Tundra can handle everyday commuting just as easily as a weekend trail trip. The Trailhunter interior also gets its own rugged personality. Toyota uses premium materials with saddle tan and black interior finishes, along with Trailhunter-specific badging and trim details. The front seats are designed for long-distance comfort, while available heating and ventilation make the cabin more comfortable during extreme weather. The doors are wide and practical, with storage areas designed for the everyday items truck owners actually carry. Move into the second row and the Tundra's full-size proportions become a major advantage. The CrewMax cabin provides substantial passenger space, with plenty of legroom and headroom for adults. Rear passengers get their own climate vents, charging options, and storage areas, while the flat rear floor makes it easier to carry passengers or larger gear. The rear seats can also fold up, creating additional interior storage when you're carrying tools, recovery equipment, camping supplies, or other bulky items. And unlike a 3-row SUV, the Tundra gives you something even more useful for serious outdoor buyers, a dedicated pickup bed. Behind the cabin, the cargo bed gives you room for coolers, luggage, bicycles, camping equipment, tools, and off-road gear without filling the passenger compartment. The Trailhunter also brings useful exterior equipment for camping and overlanding, including factory-integrated recovery hardware and an available 2,400-watt AC inverter, giving you the ability to power equipment away from home. Technology continues with Toyota's advanced safety systems, including features designed to assist with collision avoidance, lane management, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot awareness. And that's what makes the Trailhunter interesting. You're getting 437 horsepower, 583 lb-ft of torque, hybrid efficiency, four-wheel drive, Old Man Emu suspension, Michelin trail tires, recovery hooks, underbody protection, a 14-inch touchscreen, premium cabin technology, and genuine pickup bed practicality straight from the factory. It's not simply a truck dressed up to look adventurous. The 2027 Toyota Tundra Trailhunter is designed for the buyer who wants to leave the pavement, carry serious equipment, and still drive a comfortable full-size truck every day. If you want more real-world breakdowns of the newest trucks, luxury SUVs, performance, technology, pricing, and whether they're actually worth your money, like this video, subscribe to Apex Motors. And turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews of premium trucks, luxury SUVs, and the newest 2026 to 2027 vehicles.